Hello, this is Deepak Jasani from HDFC Securities talking to you on 6th of May 2022 at about 2:15 in the afternoon. We are in the midst of the much awaited LIC IPO. As of now, the issue is fully subscribed with its employee, policyholder, and retail portion oversubscribed. More than 42 lakh applications have been received, and we have 3 more days to go. This compares with 47.8 lakh applications, the record so far received in Reliance Power IPO in 2008. Overall, I think we could see 60 lakh plus application by the time the issue closes. The valuation and the size of the IPO has been cut, having regard to the current market conditions, and now the IPO is being offered at more reasonable terms than before. The IPO offers discount to policyholders and retail investors, and hence offers some margin of safety in the current volatile times. Markets have fallen post the opening of the IPO due to rate hikes announced by the RBI governor and the US Fed chair. On relative comparison basis, the price to embedded value in case of LIC is higher than the two Chinese insurance companies. It is on par with those of the European companies, and it is cheaper than the private life insurance companies listed in India. Post-listing, LIC will face more demanding disclosure requirements, resulting in increased transparency over its operations and encouraging it to prioritize profitable underwriting and risk management. New shareholders in LIC will not only improve capital adequacy and financial flexibility, but also enhance LIC's operational and distribution efficiency by pushing for a wider online distribution network. LIC could tighten its underwriting standards and improve its risk management and governance, which should contribute to a stronger financial profile. All this will drive comparable changes across the wider life insurance sector in India. While it is difficult to forecast the gains from the LIC IPO in the short run, as it could be influenced by the current global and local market conditions, over the medium term, LIC may deliver gains, given the changes expected in its functioning post-listing and the stake sale that the government will have to do in the next 3 years to bring the public shareholding to 25% as per the SEBI norms. The benefits and concerns of the IPO have been listed out in detail in our IPO note, which is available on our website. Please read the disclaimers and disclosures mentioned therein. Thank you.